Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not Into Reviews, and today we're unboxing Imagination Mail. This is a monthly STEM-based subscription box for children's age like 3 to 6. The boxes are themed, and they have a character each month that writes a letter to your child. This is their preschool Playcademy. They do have a bunch of different options though. It's $27.99. It comes with tons of stuff. So this is the letter to Oliver, and I think this month it's Time. Yes, it's from Father Time, and it tells you all about time. They're really cute. We read them together. We make it a point to do that. And then this sheet here is for the grown-up helper, and it explains to you how to use the items that you receive to get the most out of them. We do have this fun calendar. It tells you like all those fun holidays and stuff like that. And then the other insert is it includes little science experiments that you can do with this box. Now, if you're interested in look at my cat just trying to like walk into the box. If you're interested in checking out Imagination Mail, I'll link to them. I'll also link to my full review where you'll see us doing the crafts and having fun with the box and just in general. I know you don't really get that full feeling when you're watching the unboxings, but I do put that in the full review. All right, so let's see what's in here. My tools, a little tool bag, or tool belt, I should say. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, Oliver's gonna love it. This also looks like it's a little craft. We're gonna be putting something in there. Where's that? Picasso tiles. Creativity beyond imagination. So these are, let's see them. Can I open this up? Or am I going to have trouble? Oh no, it's a little tractor. And it has a screwdriver set. So there's what's in here. That's cool. Oliver will like this. So this is very, oh cool there. Okay, so it always comes with these. It's like table topics, if you've ever heard of that game. Things that you can discuss at your dinner table with your family, or any meal really, but you know, the dinner table. So like this one says, Father Time wonders about what your favorite thing is about your family and why. Isn't that interesting? I don't know if you choose gender. They know that this box is for Oliver. So maybe for girls there was other options. I personally, I don't think that a tractor is the wrong thing for a girl, but I know some people. All right, so then there is perfect timing, educational and fun, a work together game. Ooh, this is cool. This is perfect for Oliver because he doesn't know time yet. So this would be fun to work with for him. Oh, I know what this is going to go. I'm guessing to this. We're going to decorate this, or possibly our tool belt. We'll see. No, yeah, we're going to be decorating this with this. So there's that. And then I'm guessing we're going to like make a picture with this and put it in here. So this goes to our tool belt. Look at this. How cute. So it has all the little tools and all this little stuff here. Oh, lots of stuff. So that's neat. Then we have some little foam piece, some more foam, and then each box comes with a pin. This one comes with a little cat and cheese or something, I think. All right. This is going to go to something. I don't know what. I'm going to have to look at the paper then. We're going to have to look at the paper together. All right. We always get some little note cards so that we can write notes to people. There's always 5, I think, included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And they're all in different colored cardstock, and you can open it up and just write your own little note. We have some watercolor paints. I can read. This is a beginner #1 book, Dig Dogs Dig. So that's cool. And then stickers. We love stickers, so these are really nice. I always use these with the kids. I give them a piece of paper. I give them a sheet of stickers. I let them go to town. All right, so let's quickly look at our grown-up helper paper to see what that little black foam piece is. I think it might go to the green foam piece. Okay, so that's a stand-up toolbox photo frame craft kit. So that's all going to go together, and you're going to have a frame that you can put a picture in. That's really cool. So that's everything that I received in the Imagination mailbox for June. If you're interested in my full review, check that out below. If you're interested in just checking out Imagination Mail, you can check them out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!